This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Now we'll see here it is. What is a OSI layer? Anyone? What is OSI?
Open source interconnection.
Open
Open system
Open
interconnection.
source interconnection.
open system interconnection. Open system interconnection, not open source. It is. And OSI layer is not a open source. It's a concept. Lot of people think TCP IP. It is also a protocol suite. Okay, TCP IP. Lot of people think TCP IP, IPX, SPX, novel network. Novel network, Apple Talk. Lot of people think from OS layer these things are built. Okay, these things are built. No, actually these are built before uh, OSA layer into the part. OSA layer is a standardizing model. It means whether you are if you create your own model, if you create your own model or you want to create own network, OSI layer is give you OSI will give you a guideline how to create a network, how to troubleshoot the network. Okay, so these are actually existing one. So which we use TCP IP only, which we use a TCP IP only, not IPX novel network. Novel network also we are using in a SAP base. Okay, in a SAP base. Okay, in a SAP base we are using a novel network. Apple Talk is for earlier Apple company using, but now all public communication, private and public communication are mainly TCP/IP model only. Even TCP/IP is also earlier than OSI layer. So if you check the dates, okay. So this TCP/IP came from DoD model. Okay. Actually, the defense they use a DoD model. When they are using in a defense, they said it is a DoD model. Now that is later into the public, so it is called as a TCP/IP model. OSI layer is a reference model only. So OSI layer are a reference model only. Oh, something got problem. EAS OSI model is a reference model. No one will use it. Even I heard some people are certified in networking. People also tell OSI is used in very big companies, not big companies. OS is a general model. Anybody can able to understand for understanding of networking, troubleshooting of networking, for understanding of networking, troubleshooting. Today very less spelling mistakes. Understanding for and troubleshooting we are using OSI model. If you want to create your own model or you want to create a network, okay, if you want to create a network or you want to create um, uh, own protocol suite, that time also OSI model will be helpful. It contains a 7 layers. It contains a 7 layers. It contains a 7 layers. Okay, and OSI layer is standardized by, okay, it is standardized by IOS. No. ISO. What is ISO?
International Organization for Standardization.
Very good. International Organization for Standardization. Standard.
DARD.
That's the one. Is it correct or wrong? I still didn't understand. No, we don't know. Okay, so standardization. So lot of people think it is international standard organization. It is not standard organization. This is organization for standardization. It will standardize the things like working model is correct, like that. Like Food Corporation of India, like FSSI will give a stamp, FDA approval. So like that, it is a quality one. This is the correct one as per the standards. It met the as per the standards, like that. Okay, so it is standardized by OSA model. And IEEE. What is IEEE? IEEE. You done projects, right? IEEE projects.
Sir, IEEE is Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers.
Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering or engineer. Okay.
Engineer, sir.
Engineer only.
Engineer, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so IEEE given a standardization number, IEEE number 802. So this voice layer means overall networking standard number came from the so journal number is 802. Okay, the journal number is 802. In that one, it includes what are the rules and regulations of networking, what are the standardization of networking, and if you use anything like we have a related to that one. For example, if you have a Ethernet, okay, so Ethernet, fast Ethernet, like that, it will give 802.3. So when you purchase, it will show the standardization number 802. Sub chapter it is 3. So Ethernets. Wi-Fi. Use Wi-Fi. You buy a Wi-Fi router or a Wi-Fi or a laptop, desktop, laptop or a mobile phone. If you see the Wi-Fi thing, what is the number for Wi-Fi? 11. Okay, and not only just 11, the ABCD also there. A, B, C, N, something like that. Okay, so I'm not going very detailed. So each letter means 11 means Wi-Fi wireless network. A or B or N means it is like a frequency, 2.5 gigahertz frequency, 300 megahertz frequency, or a 5 gigahertz frequency, depends upon the number. So check it once, any Wi-Fi router or a mobile phone or anything. So Wi-Fi related things. Understand the standards. This is the whole network standard, all our general network standard thing. And devices, for a devices, it shows like this. It means there's a standards based on a 802 only. What is RFC? Request for comment. RFC, request for comment. When you see this kind of stuff, take it once. Have you heard this one? In the Internet Engineering Task Force. Just for a wording purpose only, not a very important part. But no one knows if someone will ask that question as a question. Okay. Internet Engineering Task Force. These are the names only. Have you searched for Ayana or not?
INA.
Yeah.
Internet SI number authorities.
Very good. One second. This is changed because of copy paste. Internet
Assigned members authority.
sign numbers authority. Authority. ICANN. I can.
Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number.
Okay. So these are a few general terminologies, and your duty is what engineering task force will do. Okay. What IANA will do. What ICANN will do. Okay. So that is your duty to find out. Okay.
IANA will do, it tracks the IP address, domain names.
Right. Give rules and regulations. How to assign an IP address. What is the IP address?
Yes.
IPv4, IPv6 regulations. Countrywide, regional wise. Actually, regional wise, like Asia specific, like that.
Identifies the
What kind of public IP address their ISP will do, and ICANN will maintain domain names. So, what are the domain names? Uniqueness of domain names, registration of domain names in the domain servers, top level domain, root domain, like that. Okay, but find it. At least something you will tell. You're telling something. Interrupted. Sorry. Tell me, continue.
No, sir, I think you have finished my part.
Okay, sorry. Okay, but guys, everybody check it. Like, general awareness is also very important. Last time on interview they asked what is the how many union territories in India. Yeah, yeah, if you are like based on that they will decide or not. I don't mind. So my point is, so if someone asks a question, you can ready to give some answer. Some answer as an answer, that is also. Okay. So without late, already it is. So what are the OSA layers? 7 layers. Anyone can?
Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer,
Let me type.
network layer, data link layer, physical layer.
Very good.
Sir, it starts from physical data link, network transport,
Yes.
session, presentation, application.
Yes. Correct. So layer 7 is a application layer. So layers when you type or write, so then we can use layer base like layer 1 to layer 7 or layer 7 to layer 1 also.
Yes, sir.
Presentation. Okay. Layer 5. Which one is correct order? 7 to 1 or 1 to 7?
1 to 7.
1 to 7.
Both are correct. Like, some people are having a hobby of like physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Very easily they will tell. Some people will tell like application, presentation, session, transport layer, and network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. So what is the way you tell in a easy way? That is correct. Okay, my way is like that only, so don't worry. Huh? Which what we know, that is correct answer. Which way you can like if I said your hobby of telling OS layer is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, like that. Your that is your for you it is easy. But I said no. You should tell from layer 1 to layer 7 only. But you went to the interview, ask what are the layers are there, and you try physical layer, data link layer, transport or network. So it will confuse while you are presenting what you know. So don't get no need to confuse what you know in order. Practice in that order only, which way you are free. But don't interchange the layers. Don't interchange the layer. Got it? I'm not a textbook candidate. Even I read from the textbook or anything, but no, not a textbook candidate. I know the things. What is the last layer?
Physical layer.
Physical layer. So these are 7 layers, guys. Everybody must know the 7 layers. Have a network column. Okay, still okay. By anyone having a pending, please fill this one. So Ramesh is not there. So Bharat, fill this thing. If you not getting the link, I will forward the link again in chat box. Okay, fill this thing. Otherwise, I will ask you can fill it. No problem. One person, no problem. 1 or 2 people. My target is Sainad. Sainad, tell me voice layers. Sainath, are you there? Okay, Sai Shashank.
Sir,
Tell me voice layers.
should I read all the 7?
Yeah, you should read it.
Okay, layer 7 application. Layer
Just
6 present.
don't say layer number. Just
You
only
tell all the
names only. Names
Sorry,
only. Names only. Application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical.
Yes, sir, that is what I said. Application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical.
Physical. Yeah. Very good. Okay, it's compulsory. Harika. Harika. Voice layers.
Sir, could you please share this Excel sheet link?
Okay. This one you're asking Google link.
Yes. I need to fill my details.
Harika, is she there or not? So I'm putting in a chat box. Please check it.
Okay.
Where am I? Here. I am not getting any voice from there. People are there or left? All 2 people. Vishweshwari. Vishweshwari. What happening, guys? People are just logging and live. I think everybody is logging. 34. Count is 34. Harika is there. Harshal. Harshal. Read OSLR.
Yes, sir.
Tell me voice layers.
Sorry, sir.
OSA layers. These layers.
Okay. Level 1 physical, level 2 data link, level 3 network, level 4 transport, level 5 session, layer 6 presentation, layer 7 application.
Very good. So either side, like from bottom to top or top to bottom, you can tell.
Right, sir.
Okay. Pranavi. OSA layers. No need to tell layer 1, layer 2.
Yes, sir.
Just names only.
Okay.
Hmm?
Yeah, we have 7 layers like physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application layers.
Very good. Okay. Guys, do not forget the layers. It is one of very important question in the networking. All are important. So compulsory by mouth you should get it. That's why I'm asking. So for sample, I'm asking to a few people only, but I will keep asking to each and every person. Okay, first layer is a application layer. Okay, first layer is a application layer. Um, Here it is. See, what is the use of application? Normally, You can explain it like you can learn from bottom to top or top to bottom, but I will go with application part only. What is a user application layer? It means application only. It means application. You know, where we can able to access a website, where we can able to access the website. Where are you accessing
Sir,
website?
on any browser.
From browser server. Yes.
Chrome.
Through
Browsers.
Web browser. Sorry. My hobby of servers only.
Yes, sir.
My mic is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Web browser. Pranavi unable to hear me, I think.
I'm able to hear. I Pallavi.
Pallavi. Okay. Pallavi Kumari. Yeah. Okay. Web browser. Example: Google
Chrome,
Chrome,
Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari.
Google Chrome, Edge browser is important. Okay, Microsoft Edge. Exactly, say it is Microsoft Edge, not a just Edge. Firefox, Safari. This Mac people also there, they will feel sorry here.
Opera.
Opera. So many browsers are there.
UC browser.
UC browser. Okay, like that. Web browser is an application. Another client side. First, I'm talking in a client side only. What are the application things? Why we are using web browser? For web access. What we put HTTP or HTTPS we are using. HTTP or HTTPS we are using. Next, for example, FTP. FTP. For example, I want to use FTP related protocols. Web browser means main protocol is HTTP. Okay. FTP means file transferring. I want to upload a data from my system to my remote host machine, like that. Okay. So different are there, like a Qt FTP, FileZilla, okay, like that. So different FTP servers are there. Means client side is there, so we can upload directly data. We can download. Normal CMD also will work. Normal CMD also work. Mails for mail communication. Outlook.
Telnet.
Yeah, very good. Telnet, SSH. Mail communication. Mail client. Outlook. See,
Mail.
this is my Outlook. I will get the mail. I will send the mail. This is a Outlook is a mail communication application. Okay, I can send the mail. I will receive the mail to my Outlook. Um, Lotus Note. Lotus Note is a IBM related one now currently one. Okay, for remote connections, remote access or remote connection, anything remote access or a remote connection. Okay, for remote server we want to access like that. So then SSH telnet using CMD SSH application. You know Putty? Have you used
Yes, sir.
Putty? Right? Linux Putty.
Yes.
Yes. Putty is
Yes,
an
sir.
application for telnet and SSH remote access purpose. RDP, remote desktop protocol, RDP. Okay. VNC, remote access, VNC, real VNC, Tiger VNC. VNCs are there. So these are an application. So not only this, so many are there. This is from side of client side. What is a server side application? For example, protocol is HTTP. It means web server. HTTP or HTTPS means it is a request is. Tell me. Different type of web servers. Microsoft IIS, the web server. Okay? It means it's an application. Most of the people know one thing. What it is? Tom and Jerry. Tomcat server. Apache. HTTP.
The Anaconda is also one or not?
Anaconda. Okay.
I'm asking, sir. Is it?
Anaconda name is in a different ways. In Linux, Anaconda is not a server. Anaconda actually is an installer. Linux installer. Anaconda.
Mail is a protocol.
Which one?
Mail.
Mail. No. Mail is not a protocol. Mail protocols are SM.
I'm
What is the mail?
Mail protocols are I put for mail communication. It means it contain multiple protocols. That's why protocols are SMTP. Where I'm typing this one. SMTP, POP3, IMAP, V4. Okay, these are mail protocols. Very good. Apache web server or Glassfish. Okay, so different web servers are there. NGIX is one of the web server. Different file servers are there. Okay, different file servers. It means like a FTP, SFTP, BSFTP. What is this? I think morning I without confusion any lagging I taking very nice class I got it, and this is C again not cooperating. BSFTP, SFTP, SCP. So different kind of file transfer is there. Okay, so very secure file transfer protocol like that. So file servers, storage servers. So these are all comes under here only. Mail servers. Again, protocols are same. SMTP, mail servers. Okay. Microsoft Exchange is a application for mail exchange servers. IBM currently I think this one is like a, sorry Zimbra. So one of the mail server. Lot of mail servers are there. One of the mail server. Gmail is also mail server, but we don't control that one. They are maintaining. Zimbra, IBM Domino server. Domino server. This is also application, right? So like this, these are applications. So the application layer deals with protocol and application. For example, you want to search for a web page, HTTP page. Where you put it? Web browsers. You want to upload or download a data from your file server. You use FileZilla, Qt FTP, or normal CMD based on a commands. You can able to upload and download. You want to receive a mail to your client application, Outlook, Notepad. When you want to connect your remote PC using a PuTTY, SSH Telnet kind of stuff, that you can use a PuTTY as an application. RDP, I didn't write what is a RDP application. We have a uh, terminal server, so Windows by default RDP is there. Remote desktop connection, you can put it. VNCs for remote viewing, remote sharing. Okay, like this. Servers, HTTP type of servers, like you are send a HTTP request, google.com, gmail.com, or maybe facebook.com, w3schools.com, gotomeeting.com. So where it will go to the server provide a web page. So how it will provide, it contains some application, some service is there by maybe a Microsoft server, or a Tomcat server, Apache Tomcat server only it is, Tomcat server, Apache HTTP server, Glassfish servers, like that. Application server, web servers are there. File servers, provide a files. Mail servers, store the mails and give the mails to the client. Exchange the mails to the client. So it will take the mail from one user, forward to other user. User 1 send a mail to user 2. User 1 mail go to the server. Server send a mail to user 2. So that is mail servers. Lot of things are there. Time servers are there. So these applications layer dealing with the application. So about your application, you open a website, it is not open in your web browser. Either problem with your web browser or web server also problem may be there. Not only all other things are there, but still maybe your web browser is won't support that website, or maybe your web server is unavailable, or maybe your request is unable to respond as per the your request. As per request, no page is available. So this is application range. So your application range also dealing with protocols. Okay, what is protocol?
Instructions.
One second. I'll check this one. Okay, protocols. So some people will tell set of rules. Mm, any other? Just before you people told, but I didn't. This because of phone and I'm unable to hear. Please tell me anything about protocol. Yeah.
Protocol is a mode of communication to the network, sir.
Again, tell me. Protocol
Like
is
a
a
language.
language.
Mode of communication to the network, like a language.
Okay, mode of communication in the network. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Network, like language. Very good. Little disturbance. Okay, so normally protocol is the way you do things, like the way we communicate. So also we can say the way we communicate in network. But my is thing is, like, usually I give people an example, for a story. Okay, so just I will tell very simple way. When school days, when we are in a school days, there is a letter writing. Remember, letter writing, leave letter. Famous one is leave letter only. But school people should teach people how to write a love letter. We are fail because of they are not teaching leave letter. Next letter is letter to for a father or a parents for asking money for a tour. So you have to ask your father by writing a letter. So I have to go to Butler tour. Please send some 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, like that. Okay. Bah. We are in a work. People are sending messages. Even I don't know also. So leave letter, letter to the parents for a tour, letter to bookshop, bookstore for sending some books with a price. Like you are sending 1,000 rupees, please send this books for books cost and books. You are sending a letter. Do you remember any letters here? Have you ever write a letter to bookstore or parents?
We are in the era of mobile. Why should we write letters, right?
Good.
To parents only.
Okay. Books. Okay, okay. Why I'm pausing and why it is very light it is going, I don't know. Someone send a message to me. Usually I will forward these requirements, no? Instead of contacting direct office, they're sending a message to me. So that gave me a disturbance. She's still sending a message. I have to respond. Something at least okay, then we'll see. Okay, guys. So normally accept leave letter to the principal. We don't write any letters. Okay, but still it there. But just for an example, why I told this example, I will explain. Okay, so again, look at here. I'm writing a letter. So this is a letter to principal. I need a 10,000 rupees to go to tour. Can you write like this?
No.
Yeah, you never ask money to principal because you have to pay the fees, not asking money. Okay. Hmm. Next, you ask your parent. Okay, to the parents, to the parents, please grant leave from you for a 10 days because I'm sick with your parenting. It's a good letter, right? Have you ever tried to the parents? Father, please give me a 10 days leave from you from your parenting. Then definitely leave will be granted. Get out from here. Are
Leave for life.
get out from here. Okay. It means my point is to tell that one. To whom you are asking? To whom you are asking? And what you are asking? I have to shut down this one. Girls, boys are best in messaging. They'll put a one line or a two lines. That's it. These are putting line only. Hmm? Okay. To whom you are asking? Okay. Are you asking your principal? And what you are asking? You ask a principal for leave, not a money. You ask your parents money, not leave, right? You ask a bookseller about a leave letter. If you give leave letter to bookseller, it is very funny. Okay. So everything is a set of rules and our way of communication. What you say, it is the simplest thing. As my point is, to whom you asking or ask, and what you ask. These are two important things. What you are asking by protocol only. What you are asking by protocol only. That is, as you said, the mode of communication in network or a way of communication means. If I said HTTP, what I'm asking? Web page. If I said FTP, either you upload or download. If I say SMTP, sending a mail. POP3, receiving a mail. NTP, set the time, set the time. SSH for remote connection. Okay, like that. And other side, from my side, I'm requesting. From other side, that server should be there, right? So for example, I put a HTTP, but the server is not HTTP web server. It is a remote desktop server. Okay. So can you connect remote connection with HTTP instead of SSH? We can't do, right? So remote server, that is SSH should be service provided, then only we can able to connect it. If you send a FTP request to mail server, FTP for downloading purpose only, uploading and downloading file server. So if you send a FTP request to mail server, so like that. So we have to understand protocol. Use it to what you are asking is told by what you are asking is by protocol only. What you are asking by protocol only, and you should ask based on that protocol. To whom you are asking, you should know it before you ask what you are asking. So that is very simple to understand. So that is a set of rules. So we studied in engineering in diploma. What is protocol? Set of rules. That's it. Very good. Full marks. But what is the set of rules? It is to whom you are asking and what you are asking. Guys, I'm going to give you a break. Protocols and port number. Every protocol has a port number, and how many port numbers are there? Almost 65,000, more than 65,000 port numbers are there in a network. But out of that one, registered port numbers are 1024 port numbers are there. Almost 1023, 1024 registered port numbers are there. All are non-registered port numbers or variable port numbers are there. There is a few port numbers, protocols and port numbers. Regularly using port numbers and protocols are there. Compulsory. We should learn, and that is also very important question. HTTP. Anyone knows port number? Everybody got silent. I got disturbance. You didn't get a disturbance, guys.
No,
Okay.
sir, we don't know the code numbers.
Okay, no problem, no problem. FTP. Two port numbers are there. Okay. Why it is underlined? FTP. Telnet. SH. 22. 23. SMTP. 25. Top 3. How to remember port numbers? Remember based on a service and order. Separate way. Okay, so then we can remember. Like HTTP, HTTPS. 80443. Like that only remember. We have a hobby of like a 1 2 3 for learning, like a 20 21 FTP, 22 SSH, 23 telnet, 25. That is order, but when order is changed, then difficult again for everything you have to search. So instead of that one, group telnet SSH belongs to one only. Both are for remote connections only. SSH secure line, telnet non-secure 22, 23. SMTP POP3 IMAP mail communication purpose. If possible, find out abbreviation for things. This is for everyone. Remember IMAP easily. I will go to next page from here. To make it in one single page. Later we'll adjust it. Okay. Yeah, NTP 123. Okay. SNMP 161, 162. This is the optional one. Okay, optional one. So, but verify once. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, 3389, 3389, RDP 3389. Why I am this one? So NTP, SNMP, RDP, NNTP is there. NNTP. Forget NNTP. DHCP 67, 68. DNS 53. Kerberos. Kerberos is a authentication protocol. Kerberos is a authentication protocol. 88. LDAP is also a authentication protocol. P89. Okay. I think maybe I will add later. This is general protocols we use mostly. Most common are HTTP. Without HTTP, we don't do anything. Just HTTP 80 and HTTPS. Almost all we are using HTTPS only. That is 33 so 4443. FTP 2021. SSH 22. Telnet 23. SMTP 25. POP3 110. IMAP 143.
Sir, we have that port number. I mean, we have doubt in that port number. Can you explain with visual explanation, like any pictures or something?
I didn't get. This is an about what is port number.
What is port number and how? Where is that port number will be there in that applications and that? We wanted to see in the photos or something like it. You can browse it on the Google.
If I show, then okay, guys. These are the. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. These are the protocols. Each protocol is dedicated with a port number, and some port number is little bit different because of over SSL, just like a HTTP, HTTPS. Because of this S, the port number is changed. Port number is nothing but a numerical representation of the protocol. Okay, numerical representation of protocol. So always when you send, you put a SMTP. When you send a, when you are sending something from like your client, send a request to mail server with SMTP. These letters won't go. This convert into 25. Okay, in your OSI, it convert into 25. So it maps to 25 number, and data will send. So 20. So when our receiver end, it check what are the port numbers. So 25. Okay, SMTP request. Okay, port number is represent a protocol here. Okay, it's not any part. Okay, it is a numerical representation. Instead of sending letters SMTP, I send 25. Okay, I send 25. Like instead of sending SSH, when I connect with a putty, instead of send request with SSH, I send 22. Okay, because why numbers? Why numericals we use more in a networking, like IP address, MAC address, hexadecimal, octals. ASCII conversion is very easy. If I put SSH for S, S, H, have to convert into again numerical, numerical to binary, binary conversion is little bit extra time being. But when I say 22, 22 easily convert, and that too these port numbers is not numbers, not decimal numbers. There are directly ASCII numbers only, ASCII related numbers only. These are, so directly it can convert to binary. So then it can, packet can store the data in binary format, so it can easily store this information. Okay, it is not a different mechanism. Port number is nothing but numerical representation of your protocol only. For example, if you go to the Google browser, yeah, it is another problem. For example, if I open like this, w3schools.com. So this is a HTTPS. If you can, it is, 1 second, I will use a magnifier. Okay, so if you click here, it is HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS protocol. Instead of that one, if I put a FTP, okay, it is not respond anything. So this protocol, yeah, it is something going on. Okay, it is asking to where to open kind of stuff only. This is WinSCP anyway. For this is also WinSCP is one of the application for FTP, SFTP. Okay, WebDAV S3 SCP client purpose. I don't do anything. Still, it is a HTTPS only. Even I change, it is back that one. So we use a protocol to connect. But when you are sending a request, like your packet, when you are sending, packet will be created, right? So complete packet, source MAC address, destination MAC address, source IP, destination IP address. along with your protocols also will be there inside in a transport layer. The protocol, it will understand the protocol, TCP UDP protocol, they put it inside a packet. When server receives the packet, means destination machine receive the packet, it verify MAC address and IP address, but remaining is a top layer, right? It will understand what protocol you are using by number. Okay, for our understanding, like if I said we use a 25.110.143 for a mail communication, what you understand from it, right? So that's why they put in names for each protocol, and then to represent the protocol when you are transmitting a data. Yeah, I will give lunch break. For transmitting a data, we are sending with a numericals only. That's it. Port numbers. Okay, so that's why I waited for a minute. I will give
Sir,
lunch
when you
break.
will give lunch?
Lunch break. Yeah, I will give just I need only 5 minutes if people are speaks. Urvi,
Yes, sir.
tell me protocol and port numbers.
Sir, first protocol is HTTP port number 80. Second is HTTPS 443.
HTTPS.
Third is FTP. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Third is FTP 20,21, SSH 22, Telnet 23, SMTP 25, POP3 110, IMA PV4 143, NTP 123, SNMP 161, 162, RDP 3389, DHCP 67, 68, DNS 53. KERBERY
Kerberos.
188, LDAP 389.
Kerberos.
Okay.
Okay.
Kerberos 88, LDAP
LDAP.
389.
Yes, LDAP. Okay. Very good. Guys, and another
Thanks, sir.
hand, each one having a abbreviation. HTTP, Hypertext Transmission Protocol, Hypertext Transmission Protocol over SSL, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, Secure Socket, Telnet is a Telnet only. Okay, not much, not required. TEL, NET, separate, sir. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol.
Telecommunication network, Telnet.
Telnet?
Telnet abbreviation is telecommunication network.
Yeah, that's Telnet. That's it only. Okay. SMTP. Normally people think T and E, L like that. So it's not what on tel net only, like through telephone communication, telecommunication, something. Okay, so I don't use telnet anyway. So SMTP, sorry, POP3, Post Office Protocol, IMAP, Internet Messaging, Mail Application, something is there. I never went to that IMAP also. NTP, Network Time Protocol, SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, Remote Desktop Protocol, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, Domain Name System. Kerberos is a one word only, not a separate word. Kerberos is a authentication protocol, normally in Windows servers. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Okay, like that. Not only this, there is so many protocols are there, port numbers are there, but these are generally we are using the in a regularly we are using this thing. Like you are getting an IP address to your system from DHCP server. Okay, when you put a google.com, facebook.com, who give IP address? DNS servers only will give you IP address. When you log in to your PC or a mail communication or a server connection, authentication protocol. So these are two authentication protocol. Lot of authentication protocols are there. These are the major two authentication protocol. We use HTTP and as well as mostly we are using now HTTPS only. Okay, SSH for PuTTY connections we are using. Telnet is a non-secure connection and SSH is a highly secure connection. Okay, so these are basic things. Keep reading, and anytime you have to tell protocols and port numbers. Either they ask one protocol and what is the port number for this particular protocol, like POP3 port number, or tell me some protocols with their port numbers. Tell it. If they ask anything like a particular thing, what is SMTP? Simple mail transfer protocol. So search it, find it, each protocol their abbreviations, and also verify the port numbers. I have doubt in this one only because I don't use this one by often. Lot of NNTP, so many protocols are there, including mm, including SQL related protocols. So many are there port numbers. So we won't go through that much part. This is enough. Okay. Next. Okay. So to whom I ask in morning, I forget. Pragnya. Pragnya, tell me protocols and port numbers. Is it visible now? Complete list.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, I'm audible. HTTP port number is 80. HTTPS port number is 443. FTP port number is 2021. SSH port number is 22. Telnet port number is 23. SMTP port number is 25. POP3 port number is 110. IMAP-v4 port number is 143. NTP 123. SNMP 161 and 162. RDP 3389. DHCP 6768. DNS 53. Sir, what is this?
Kerberos.
Kerberos 88. Okay, Kerberos 88. LDAP 389.
Very good. You know, guys, what is Kerberos? Authentication protocol. Okay.
Application protocols.
Authentication protocol. LDAP is also
Both.
both are authentication protocol. So what is Kerberos?
Authentication protocol.
It's the name of dog.
Authentication protocol.
Authentication protocol.
Very good.
Sir, it's a name of?
Dog. A dog with the 3 heads.
Oh,
Have you seen first part Harry Potter?
yes, sir.
Yeah, there is a dog
Yes,
in
sir.
that one when they are going to some place. So the dog secure the place. So they cheat the dog finally, and they get to some underground. That dog name is
So this
Kerberos.
this protocol is named on him.
Yes.
Or that dog is named
Yeah, it's
on
the 3 heads are there, no?
Yes.
3 heads means it's very challenging. One dog, it's difficult to cheat because it's a securing, but 3 heads means highly secured protocol, authentication protocol. It's a based on token system. Okay, so it's a high secure. Usually Windows servers, we use Windows servers Kerberos authentication protocol. Okay. Okay, now go for lunch. Be back
This
at.
conference is no longer being recorded.
Okay, no problem.